Yo, 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 yo. Since the last 20-gallon maintenance-free video did so well, I thought I'd do an update video on my 55-gallon tank here in the basement. This is where all of the trimmings from the upstairs 20-gallon maintenance-free have gone. And again, this one is super maintenance-free as well. I'm running a single filter in the corner that I never clean, a sponge filter in the back, and then this one does see a water change. So every 2 weeks roughly, I take about 20% of the water out and it gets siphoned into this 25-gallon, or 20-gallon I should say, reservoir, which is what feeds all of my plants in the room over there, and I just use a normal siphon for that. But again, this one's got a healthy family of swordtails. We've got some Siamese algae eaters in there. We got that Congo. We do have the goldfish, which will go into our my family's 5,000-gallon pond, as it is getting a little too full in here for that. But we got the pothos growing off the top, a monstera growing off the top. I actually have a lily pad growing in here, and that's an actual outdoor hardy lily pad. It's flowering and everything. And all I used in this one was black earth, like just a normal black soil that you can buy at any store. I put a first layer of that, and then I did a nice 2-inch layer of sand on top of it, and I planted everything in that dirt layer. I do not add any nutrient tablets. I do not feed it any liquid fertilizer. Like I said, I do the water changes, so I get my the whole nitrates and bacteria cycle for my plants, because that is the main focus of this tank, is to keep all of my plants fed. Because as you guys know, aquaculture, the whole aquaponics setup in gardening is super cool, and that's really what got me into these aquariums. I love the whole real plant thing, trying to create like an ecosystem, a whole habitat and environment. It's super cool. But as you guys can see, there's males, females. If we look real close, you'll probably see some babies all along the bottom. But yeah, like I said, I just let this thing go. I've got a couple of the 3D printed diffusers that I sell on my Etsy. But overall, super nice tank. Maintenance free, guys. I don't add any chemicals. I have a couple down here because everyone at the beginning tells you gotta buy all these things, but once you start to get into it, you really don't need any of this quick start. You really don't need any of that. You just let her go. The plants, the filter material, the bacteria, the cycle of life really gets created, and you just get to sit here and watch the whole cycle, and it's amazing. But if you guys didn't check out my last video, the 20-gallon maintenance free, check that out. This is the 55-gallon, not really maintenance free. If I didn't have to do the water changes, it would be maintenance free, but I do the water changes just to keep my plants healthy, right? But I hope you guys have been enjoying all of these videos. You guys are awesome. Leave some comments below. Thank you for being here. Peace, love, and cheers. Isn't that Congo Tetra just beautiful? Later.